Benthic feeding ecologies. Benthic organisms live in, at, or on the bottom of a body of water. These organisms eat plankton, detritus, plants and algae, and other animals using a few different types of feeding methods. The first we're going to go over is active suspension feeding. These organisms filter water through their bodies and pick up the nutritious plankton. Their main goal is to remove either live or dead organic matter from the water. Some common organisms we know are clams, oysters, and barnacles. You may have seen barnacles in rocky intertidal pools near the ocean. Well, now you know how they eat. There are also passive suspension feeders. These organisms cannot move, so they filter all the water that passes through them. Ones such as tunicates bend in the direction of the water current so that they can eat. The second type of feeding method is called deposit feeding. These organisms are usually surface feeders, and one of the most common ones we know is the crab. The crab likes to eat small sea creatures, including other crabs, worms, clams, mussels, and snails. Another type of deposit feeder are burrowers, like worms. These organisms go under the sand to eat whatever nutrients are inside of the sediment. The third type of benthic feeding organisms are scavengers. These organisms eat any remaining dead organic matter. Worms also eat this way. The last type of feeders are grazers. These organisms eat macro and microalgae, and the most common one we know are fish.